Hello guys, I'm going to show you, hang on one second. Okay, I'm going to show you how our final Python lesson. And this one we'll learn a bunch, pretty much. So, I will show you step by step. But I will start too, and then we will create your first project by yours, and then you will be creating projects, going on fast, and you're just gonna be loving it. Let's get started with Python. Create a new Google Colab and Gemini has there. So, as you can see, we start with the button code. We're gonna start with import. Import is pretty easy. It's like, so the only one I'll teach you right now to get you understanding. You can search up more in the internet, but this one I'll teach you. Import math. And you can do import math import math as M, and that's like how you store it in math if you don't want to type in math all the time, like math py. And I'll show you all the things in the math. So you can ask the internet. Let's do this. Start by doing this. Things are in importing math in Python. You can ask that, and that's this is math square root x to math down to the explanation. Apply math factorial. You see, this is a lot. So I want you to do, either you can download all of this in like a Word file, or Control C, go to a Word file. Then do a new file. Let's do define. And on the first write 24 as font. Set it to middle. And write math actions, and then Control V under it. See? And this is, and then switch this. So this is all the math actions. So let's start with a math square root. I know how to do square root, but even though I'm 9 years old, I still know how to do square root. That's weird. But I'm gonna calculate it. So let's do it. Now let's go back to her. This and then go to our project. So we already imported math and imported math as m. Do these. Give me a little time. Alright. Now you see we've imported math. Now let's create a variable called importing. Importing will be equal to input. Remember that's how you make other people type, is input. Do double quotes since this is going to be a string. What square root would you like to calculate? And add a space there so it can have enough space. And then let's create another variable called solve equals importing. So that's the importing. Remember, let's go back to our Word document. Right now, since I don't want to do this map back and forth, I'm going to print this. Did it work? Hello? It's just a calculator. Why is my mouth like that? And let's just print. I just literally needed to do that. And it should come up. In my printer. On the HP MB4520. Print, scan, copy your web photo. All you need to do is buy a printer, add some ink, and yeah. Let's go to printables. Hang on, guys. HP printables. I think it's taken a while. While we do that, let's just look here. Okay, it's printing. Okay. All right. That's perfect. So that means you're gonna stop.
I just want to come.
No. So that means in our paper we're gonna do math. Type in math. Dot SQRT for square root. Do parentheses and change and do that importing.
Hey, Sean, are you making a video?
Yes. What do you think?
Sorry, guys, I interrupted him. Yeah, he's big. I'm his little sister. I know I sound like
Print. Then we're gonna print the solve variable.
so weird. I hate coding, you know?
And whatever.
Whatever.
You guys are,
What? I just fell.
so what square root would I like to calculate? What do you think? I'm gonna just do some basic.
Why do you have to do math? I hate math.
Must be real number. Oh, now I get it. Remember. Let's do.
Input.
Remember. We have to do
In.
int.
Exactly, Sean. I knew that for the whole time.
See? This calculates the square root of 4. Now what happens if I say 1 for like not a perfect square, like 36? Wait, that's a perfect square. 39. It's 6.244. What's the square?
997.
Okay. Okay, then do the source string.
Sean.
What? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do this much quicker.
Oh my god.
Oh, I can't do this here.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What is Ishan an idiot?
Stop.
Fine, it's going to go for a YouTube video. I'm Ishan's big sister, right, Ishan?
Small sister.
Yeah, whatever.
And it's 39. I asked. Let me show you. It's 6. It says 6.244. We just created a square root calculator, guys.
No, we didn't, guys. He slapped me so
I
hard.
don't care. So
Guys,
so
yeah.
now if I do like something like 7,000.
That's not 7,000.
2, 6, 4, 5, 7, and
Oh,
that's
6,
me.
7. Calculation to 6, 7, Ishan.
So what's the
Calculate
square root of
some-
67?
Yeah. 67.
8.18. I don't usually count like all of these random numbers.
Ishan's a naughty splitter house. He knows the timer of the timer when we watch.
Shut up.
Yeah, Ishan, can we please play that game?
No,
No, the parking. I
no,
want to play parking.
no. Well, once this is it. So yes, this is the math function. I'm only going to teach you the square root.
You gonna finish it all?
Sure.
And it's in your bed.
There's a lot more to the math.
I'm tired.
And if you're asking why it doesn't include
Cause you're a sky. Cause you're a sky.
do you know why it doesn't include shut up.
My poop.
You know what?
I'm
Well, you know why it doesn't give us the option to addition and subtraction? Because you can do that without inputting.
gonna give you.
And multiplication and division.
I'm going. My internet is so slow. My laptop's internet is so slow.
So this is a square root calculator.
Come on, internet.
That is
Coordinates up. You should
That-
not dare you to spell internet. Isn't it so hard?
stop.
Bro,
So
finally.
So if you want to calculate the pi for a circle, let's rename this square root square root calculator.
I want to do puzzle. My mouse is going crazy right now.
That's a square root calculator.
I'm going to give.
And now let's hang on. Let's wait until it saves. Come on, boy, save.
Okay, then I'll delete you.
Okay, saved.
Then I'll rethink you.
That's a square root calculator.
Finally!
And if you want to, like me, I have a Colab notebook
You don't want to do puzzles.
folder. So I have a lot of Colab notebooks. Stuff in my Colab notebook. So I'm gonna now teach you. Now I'm gonna show you the way to do pi, because I know people want to know the pi of the circle, and it's gonna be 3, 4, 1, 4, 1, 5, 9. This is 5, 7, 5. Okay, and let's start. So it says math pi. So let's use math pi.
No one hears this, right?
We hear it and she shut it out.
Okay.
So now I'm going to show you to calculate.
I'm going to
Let's make a thing of calculate a variable will equal
This is so easy. I have to restart again.
input.
Probably
Good
a
for you.
monitor that's not restarting.
And input.
I'm
What?
going to give you my heart.
What shape
What shape has
would you like to calculate What shape would you like to calculate pi?
Yes, what the heck?
And then okay, and then let's do math will equal math dot pi. And don't forget, import math. And let's change that to n because that's a little too long. Import math as n.
Yeah. Well, of course I'll be
Okay, let me just try this.
Restart, that's so easy.
Wait.
Restart!
I've never done using the math because I only use something else. Manage sessions. Oh. Terminate other sessions. If this happens, just terminate the other sessions. And then run it again.
Nothing's hard for me. Nothing. Yeah, I got it.
Let's do it. So what will I count? Let's do circle. Okay, I'm gonna interrupt because as you can see, I forgot to do something.
Yeah, he should always forget what he wants to do, bro.
why now it should work. It will do circle. This will be long. Oh. Int with space 10, circle. So if you want to, you can just clear select outputs. And it should come up.
Girl, this thing is going on my nerves. Actually, this one's
Calculate, and let's just clear. Now ask Gemini, what's wrong? Because just ask her, man.
Girl,
So this will be, let's accept this and run. And what shape would you like to calculate? This input is currently not used for pi calculate. Let's do circle, please. Oh, I remember this. Look, 3.14159. This is pi presented by 26535897993. And then it's like a bajillion more. There's like a bajillion more.
girl,
And
this is hard.
so that's and you can recognize that from the 3414159. This is pi presented by 26142653589. I'm not fits over time and 793145.
This is stressful.
And that is how you calculate pi. Savings failed since
The
7.
song makes me get more.
And then let's just ignore this.
See? The song
Let's-
makes me way more confident. Daddy, why did you tell me to get out?
Save from the file menu. Okay, so sometimes you can save from the file menu. It's either there. Now we know where that is, but just quickly go to that back and just name it pi. And let's just wait until the save until that. Let's wait. Okay, big boy, big boy. And I love importing math when I sometimes do it, because there's a bunch of math actions and stuff, and it's so cool. There's also one called random where it calculates just random, it just does random. It would be good for guess a number, and it just did save.
Yay!
And yeah, I use that one to create guess a number. But no. Now, why don't we start creating? Why don't guys? Why don't we start creating a project? I'll show you. I'm gonna show you how to make. It doesn't include input, but it will be fun. Nah, I don't want that one. You know what I want to do? I kind of want to do this one includes random. I don't want to do that because you guys might not get that. Let's do generations. You know what? Sure. Generations is awesome. It includes 2 cells, And it will tell you some more usernames and passwords for you guys. This is what will help you create accounts. So you're just about to create first a password. So all you have to do, write your name. No, I'm gonna use some kind of random name. I'm gonna pick Joe. If your name is Joe, you're lucky. Enter your birth year. Let's do his name. I'm just gonna do random. I don't know your birth year for him. 1984. Then let's do that. Joe 1984. Joe 1984 exclamation mark. Joe Ashton 1984. So those are passwords. Now I'm gonna do usernames. Now enter your name. Let's do this time R. Let's do Arv.
Okay.
Enter birth year. Your birth year will be 2016 when I was born. And 9. Try this new something.
Ishan, I need help here.
And here's some usernames that are pretty good.
Ishan, I need help here.
See? And they do
Ishan,
some
can I have
random
help?
ones.
I don't understand this.
And they're just
Ishan, I don't
some
understand
about
this.
blinks.
Ishan, I actually don't. I don't understand.
So now,
Should I just
So-
play a different game? Can you pause the video?
okay, guys, hang on. So this is what Generations is. Next time we will see you, and I will make this. Bye.